So this is an ASRS, which stands for Automatic Storage and Retrieval Machine. This one is built for a second-tier automotive company in Johannesburg. The machine forms part of a smart warehouse, which is controlled by a larger system, which is also developed by S4, called a WMS. It's a warehouse management system, and that is what tracks every single part in every single rack position, or we call them pigeonholes. So what would happen is that the crane would receive an instruction from the WMS. It would then retrieve the part from a series of conveyors, carry it to the pigeonhole that it needs to, transfer it in there. Well, first of all, check that there isn't already one there, and if the position is open, it will store it in that position and then go and receive its next task. Okay, so once the machine has received an instruction from the WMS, what it does is it sends the signals to the various motors. In this case, we have a travel drive at the bottom, a set of wheels, and that's a travel drive, which gives the crane forward motion along the rail. And then what you see there, that blue thing, goes up and down. That's the lifting carriage. And the lifting carriage is controlled also by an electric motor, and that set of rope drums there, you can see the drums at the bottom. That is a steel wire rope that runs right to the top over some sheave wheels and back down, and it's fastened onto the lifting carriage. And as that turns, it raises and lowers the lifting carriage. So the way the lifting carriage works is it has a device called a telescopic fork, which is something that we buy from one of our partners in Europe called Myers. So the Myers fork, what it does is it can telescope out either to the left or to the right to about, I think, close on 3 meters. And that's what actually transfers the load from the center of the aisle into the pigeonhole.